In today's video, I'm going to teach you GEICO versus Progressive, which has better coverage features. First, open the comparison page dedicated to GEICO versus Progressive coverage. This page is set up like a guided article, so we'll click through each section together to understand what matters and how to use the information. Once you're on the page, click into the article titled GEICO versus Progressive, which has better coverage features. That brings you to an overview that sets the stage. Both companies deliver solid foundational auto insurance, but the specific coverage features can differ in ways that matter depending on your situation. Start by opening the section labeled What They Both Offer. Here, the article confirms that you'll see the standard protections you'd expect from major insurers. Click into the part that introduces those basics, then tap the item that highlights liability coverage. Liability, which includes bodily injury and property damage, is the backbone of an auto policy. It helps pay for injuries to others and damage to their property if you're at fault. Think of this as the minimum you need to drive with real financial protection. Next, move into the section called Key Differences in Coverage Features. This is where the page compares the extras that can set each insurer apart. Click Progressive Strengths, then open the part that explains how Progressive often provides more optional add-ons beyond the basics. The article notes that Progressive tends to spell out more of these enhancements up front, which is helpful if you like to fine-tune your policy with specific protections rather than sticking only to the core package. Now switch over to GEICO's Strengths. Open the section that points out GEICO's track record on customer satisfaction and notes that its average premiums can be lower for many driver profiles. The key idea here is value. If you want strong core coverage at a competitive price and don't need a lot of niche extras, GEICO may align well with your needs. Tap the section that says which one is better depends on your situation. The guide emphasizes that the right choice comes down to the features you'll actually use. For example, open the part that mentions financed or leased vehicles. If you need loan or lease payoff, often called gap coverage, Progressive explicitly lists this option, making it easier to confirm you can add it. Finally, open the final thoughts section. The article wraps up by summarizing that GEICO delivers very solid core coverage and great value for many drivers, while Progressive shines if you want more optional features and clearly labeled add-ons. Use the page's sections to match what you see with what you need, and you'll be ready to choose with confidence.